Buhari don't put mouth for drought and desertification matter for COP15 summit for Abidjan. President Muhammadu Buhari don yarn for the 15th conference of the United Nations Conventions wey shele for Abidjan, Cote d'Ivoire say to help humanity make enough staff by and keep planets with future generations, Obodo people community could join body to help bring back 1 billion hectares of land before 2030. A consumer warning say if peace no dey for the world, them no go fit solve the katakata with the shele on top water shortage and dry land. E con yarn say trees and bush don already cover 6.1 million hectares of land, as this na part of efforts to increase Niger forest cover with 25%. He come beg Russia and Ukraine make dem stop the kilikili wey dey shele between the two countries. Minister for Foreign Affairs Geoffrey Onyema con yarn tori pipo wetin shele for the summit.
All the countries are fully on board. We also had, virtual interventions by the President Macron of France and fight desertification and desert encroachment. Mr. President also just looked at the global economic challenges in that context and talked about the importance of also recharging Lake Chad. The key thing is really the political will and, investing then the money needed, the coordination and the policy steps that are needed.
TMC TV News.